Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, enter the settings, then find and select security and privacy, go to lock screen and choose fingerprints. Draw your current pattern, and if you don't have one yet, you will have to provide a new one. And now to add a fingerprint, tap on plus icon, add a fingerprint. Now click on register to add your fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is located right here in the middle of the screen, so just grab your phone as you usually hold it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You will be informed about the progress, which is none. Okay, now it started working. Well, that's it. As you can see, it has been added. Tap on done. And from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.